Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to set up more spacing between votings of the Helpdesk plugin. Alright, so let's go to our Helpdesk. And the feature itself of votings is described in another article. It is about clients to set some votes of the support agent replies. Okay, so in our case it is already predefined. So when we click on a reply, we see that there is the how would you rate my reply? Is good, just okay, or not good? So the point of this tutorial now is to make more spacing here. So how to make more spacing here? It is very easy. So you have to go to settings of this project and the Helpdesk template, and then email footer. So we see the configurations here, and we have to just add the following thing. So it is padding right and some value here. Okay, so we write padding right, and for example we could say 50 pixels. Alright, so we save our changes and just go back and see what is happening. So we refresh our page here, the Helpdesk ticket, and click on reply again. Okay, so we see that there is a 50 pixels spacing here between the good and just okay. Alright, so if we would like, we could change as well the other one. So it could be okay, so we just copy paste it here, and again refresh our Helpdesk ticket. Now we see that it is proportional spacing. Here is 50 pixels and here is again 50 pixels. Of course you could set on other values, for example 20 pixels or 100 pixels or 200 pixels if you'd like to be here good, just okay, and not good here. It is up to you and your needs. So I hope this video was good and helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other articles and videos of the Helpdesk documentation. Thank you very much for watching this, and bye bye for now.